577 horsepower, hand-built twin-turbo V8, 3 locking differentials, a Brabus wide body kit that makes this thing look absolutely insane, and a price tag that starts at nearly $200,000. This is not just a G-Wagon. This is the Mercedes-AMG G63, the most iconic, most powerful, and most outrageous SUV on planet Earth. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Launch Rev USA. Today, we have something that stops traffic every single time it moves. The Mercedes-AMG G63 sitting right here in diamond white with a full Brabus wide body conversion. This thing has blue halo LED headlights, carbon fiber everywhere, and quad side exit exhausts that sound absolutely unbelievable. The G63 is not just a car, it is a statement. Let's break down every single detail. Let's start outside, because this G63 looks absolutely menacing in person. Diamond white paint over that iconic boxy G-Wagon body. But this is not a standard G63. This car is wearing the full Brabus wide body conversion kit, and it transforms this already aggressive SUV into something on a completely different level. Look at those headlights. Standard G63 headlights have been replaced with circular blue LED halo rings, glowing cold blue and framing the classic upright G-Wagon face in a way that makes this car look like nothing else on the road. Between them, the AMG Panamericana vertical slat grille with the Mercedes star centered. It is bold, it is aggressive, and it is completely commanding. The front bumper has been completely replaced by the Brabus unit. Wider, more aggressive, with AMG lettering across the lower section. The carbon fiber fender flares add significant width to the front and rear arches, housing those massive black multi-spoke wheels that fill every inch of those flares perfectly. On the side, look at how wide this car is now. The Brabus wide body adds significant width over the standard G63. The carbon fiber flares flow from the standard body and create a dramatically wider, more planted stance that looks absolutely spectacular. Carbon fiber side skirts run below the doors, and those quad side exit exhaust pipes, 4 round tips mounted side by side below the driver's door, are one of the most dramatic exhaust setups on any production-based vehicle in the world. At the rear, the carbon fiber spare wheel cover with the Mercedes star badge sits centered on the rear door. A carbon fiber roof spoiler sits on top. AMG badging appears on the rear bumper, and those rear LED taillights glow bright red, flanking that rear spare wheel in the classic G-Wagon arrangement that has defined this car's identity for over 4 decades. This G63 in diamond white with the Brabus kit is one of the most visually striking vehicles I have ever stood next to. Everywhere it goes, every head turns, every phone comes out, every eye locks on. Now let's talk about what powers this beast, because the AMG G63 engine is a masterpiece. Under that flat hood sits a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine, hand-built by a single AMG engineer who signs their name on the engine cover. Total output, 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. And for 2026, Mercedes added a 48-volt mild hybrid system, adding an additional 21 horsepower of electric assistance for smoother launches and improved efficiency. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Top speed electronically limited to 137 miles per hour. In a vehicle that weighs over 5,500 pounds and has the aerodynamics of a brick, those numbers are genuinely extraordinary. That power goes through AMG's 9-speed automatic transmission, and the gear changes in Sport Plus mode are violent, immediate, and accompanied by cracking exhaust pops that echo off every building and wall around you. And then there is the off-road capability. 3 mechanical locking differentials, front, center, and rear, give the G63 the ability to go absolutely anywhere. Low-range transfer case, 241 millimeters of ground clearance, 700 millimeters of wading depth, approach angle of 31 degrees, departure angle of 30 degrees. The new AMG Active Ride Control suspension system for 2026 is a genuine revolution for the G63. Hydraulic active anti-roll bars replace the old torsion bars, allowing the suspension to soften completely for off-road articulation and firm up dramatically for on-road cornering. Autocar called it the sweetest handling G-Class ever built, and after driving one, that description is completely accurate. In comfort mode, surprisingly smooth and composed for a vehicle of this size and shape. In Sport Plus, every exhaust pop, every gear change, every throttle input is amplified into pure theater. This car is genuinely addictive to drive. Step inside the AMG G63, and this two-tone white and black interior is absolutely stunning. White Napa leather covers both front seats with black contrast bolsters, a combination that looks extraordinary against the white exterior. The quilted stitching pattern runs throughout the seat surfaces and headrests. Every surface you touch is soft, premium, and precisely finished. Look at that dashboard. Twin 12.3-inch screens sit side by side in a seamless display unit. The instrument cluster on the left showing speed, revs, G-force readings, and off-road angle data, and the MBUX infotainment screen on the right with navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Both screens are sharp, bright, and fast. The AMG steering wheel is wrapped in Napa leather, flat-bottomed and perfectly weighted. The AMG drive unit controller on the center console lets you switch between driving modes, adjust the suspension, and control the exhaust character with a single turn and press. Blue ambient lighting runs throughout the entire cabin, along the dashboard base, the door panels, and the footwells, creating a cool, dramatic atmosphere that matches those blue halo headlights perfectly. At night, inside this car, the effect is genuinely spectacular. Carbon fiber trim panels cover the dashboard surround, the door inserts, and the center console. They are not decorative. They are genuine exposed carbon fiber, each piece uniquely patterned. Now, if you are watching Launch Rev USA for the first time and you are enjoying this review, subscribe right now. Every single day, we bring you the world's most incredible cars, reviewed completely and honestly. You do not want to miss what is coming next on this channel. Standard technology includes keyless entry, wireless charging, a Burmester 3-dimensional surround sound system, a panoramic sliding sunroof, heated and ventilated front seats, a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, new for this generation, and AMG's full suite of performance data, including lap timing, G-force measurement, and acceleration data. The AMG performance seats are available as an option, with additional lateral support for track use and heating and cooling functions built in. Now, how much does the Mercedes-AMG G63 cost? The standard AMG G63 starts at $196,850 in the USA, making it one of the most expensive production SUVs available at a mainstream luxury brand. This particular car, with the Brabus wide body conversion, blue halo LED headlights, carbon fiber package, custom exhaust, and custom wheels, is a one-of-a-kind build that would push this well beyond $250,000 total. And here is the thing, these cars hold their value extraordinarily well. A well-specified G63 loses remarkably little value over time compared to every other vehicle in this price range. Buying a G63 is not just buying a car, it is buying an asset. The Mercedes-AMG G63, diamond white, Brabus wide body, blue halo LED headlights, carbon fiber everywhere, 577 horsepower hand-built twin-turbo V8, quad side exit exhausts, 3 locking differentials, 2-tone white and black Napa leather interior, twin 12.3-inch screens, blue ambient lighting, and a presence on the road that nothing else in the automotive world can match. This is not just the greatest G-Wagon ever built. This is one of the greatest automotive icons ever created, in its most extreme, most spectacular, and most unforgettable form. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button right now and subscribe to Launch Rev USA for daily reviews of the world's most incredible cars. Drop a comment below. Would you take the G63 in diamond white with the Brabus kit or go for a different color? Let me know your build. I will catch you in the very next one.